One of our 12 values is stewardship, which defined means responsible management of something entrusted to one's care. There's nothing more sobering than realizing that we will stand and give account in the end to an all-powerful, all-knowing Creator that trusted and expected us to manage well all that He allowed us to touch. For that reason, I believe we always need to be transparent. We need to be accountable with our finances. This keeps us healthy as a church and allows trust to be built. These two things are going to be essential if we're going to continue to see great things accomplished in Hampton Roads. So I want to let you in on where we are. We're about to celebrate our 4th year as a church, and we are debt-free. CHR has 0 debt. We know the Bible says the borrower is slave to the lender. I really am excited to tell you that God has been faithful. From January of this year, 2016, to July, where we are currently, God has allowed us to receive $115,591.55. God tells us that the first tenth is His and that we should not use that as our own, but release it back to Him for the work of the ministry on the earth, the Great Commission, to reach the world with the message of reconciliation with God through the death of Jesus Christ. We embrace wholeheartedly what is referred to as the tithe, not just a tenth, but the very first tenth of everything God gives us, we return to Him. The tithe is an act of trust, it's an act of faith, it's an act of worship, and of partnering with God's work on the earth. Every Tuesday morning, we move at least 10% of all our giving into our missions account before we look at spending any money anywhere else. We've moved since January $13,798.90 into our missions account since just the first of the year. We have given out of our missions account to ministries all over the world. Since there is a surplus in our missions account, the total given from missions to support others since this January is $14,902.96 just in the last 6 months. We have seen over $3,100 of that money go to the ARC, the Association of Related Churches. Just last year, we helped launch over 90 new life-giving churches around the world, and 575 churches total have been planted through the ARC since 2001. Now hear this, the total combined missions giving of all of us together as ARC churches is over $8 million a year. Your dollars are being put to good use here, and we are a part of a larger whole doing big things. The return on investment is huge. Since January, we've given over $2,400 here locally to the Kiwanis Club. That has been used to fuel the Chesapeake City Jail Ministry, leadership programs for youth, local service projects. We're supporting mission works in Sweden through the Greater European Mission. We're supporting CAS, Chesapeake Area Shelter Team, which houses the homeless during the winter months. We're doing all we can to support Love and Hope Ministries that does work in India and Haiti, training leaders and providing for orphans, single mothers, along with so much more. CHR, I am committed to do right by you and by God when it comes to overseeing how our money is spent. Thank you for trusting us and partnering alongside of us as the local church. It truly is the way that God intends to reach the world. Let's be generous, let's give willingly and joyfully of ourselves, our time, and our money, because God promises He will be faithful to those who serve Him. Matthew 6:19 says, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths eat and the rust destroys, where thieves break in and steal, but store up for yourselves treasures in heaven." CHR, our vision is huge for the 7 cities. God has called us to play a part in seeing the spiritual climate of Hampton Roads changed. Unity instead of division, love instead of hate, forgiveness instead of unforgiveness, to see people far from God come close to Him again, for those who have been hurt, close to people again. We are commanded not only to love God, but to love each other. white, black, Hispanic, Asian. Jesus said, "My house shall be called a house of prayer and for all people." Let's make a difference together in the next 6 months like never before. Knowing our time is short and the Maker of heaven and earth is returning, let's commit to hear, "Well done, good and faithful servant."